Whoa, nice move, Sonic!
Oh, thanks. Who are you?
It's me, Dylan the Hedgehog. I'm a totally original character.
Then why do you just look like a purple version of me?
Duh. I'm an imperfect clone of you created by Dr. Robotnik. The only difference between us is that I'm a respected member of DeviantArt.
Okay, that's fine.
Also, I'm pregnant with your child.
What?
Actually, it's my child.
Who are you?
I'm Sonia, the Hedgehog. I'm the ginger swap version of you from another dimension.
She accidentally got me pregnant when we were making out in a huge pile of Chaos Emeralds.
Why did you say that like it was a completely normal sentence?
Yikes. What's wrong, Sonic?
Tails! Thank God you're here. This whole level's being overrun with creepy knockoff characters.
Actually, Sonic, I'm Tails with a Z. I've got 3 tails and can inflate my entire body at will. Pretty hot, huh, guys?
You know it.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Prepare to meet your end!
Oh, thank Christ. Take me now, Eggman. I'm ready.
For I have created the ultimate original character!
God damn it.
Behold, I am Kevin!
And then they all kissed Kevin and got super pregnant. The end.